I found you, Miss New Booty. Get it together and bring it back to me. What's up, you guys? It is Wavy Spice here, and today I'm coming to you guys with a video that I am so super excited about, as always. And today we're going to be doing a little bit of a life hack video, something to, you know, keep you looking snatched, looking good for the low. So today we're going to be talking about a new product that I love. As you guys know, if you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe. We have a lot of fun over here. I create content for women that don't fit into your beauty standard. So you might be a plus size woman, you might be a woman of color, you might be a dark skinned woman of color, or you might be a woman that has small boobs. Really, that's what we're talking about in this video. So it's gonna be a hack to kind of keep the girls up when you're wearing little low cut tops and things like that. So if you guys are interested in checking out what we have going on over here, definitely stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll have all my social media linked below. I have TikTok, Instagram, all that good stuff. But yeah, definitely stay tuned if you want to see what we're talking about today. So if you're watching this video, I'm sure you're sort of like me, same boat as me, a very small chested woman. You know, we're full A cup, maybe a B cup, so you know we're not too busty up here, but you know you still want to look good. You see, we got a little sagging going on. We don't want none of that. So that's where this awesome product comes in. I found you, Miss New Booty. Get it together and bring it back to me. So the product is called NueBoo, and this is going to be a body tape. So this is terrific. If you're anything like me, you have small boobs, you're a little self-conscious about them, especially because mine are like, they're not the most perkiest of the boobs. Like, they kind of, like, if I don't got my posture right, they kind of sag a little bit. So that's why I love this tape. I already know I was absolutely thrilled when I discovered the NueBoo tape, because this is like the perfect solution to keep you up whole time when you're out, when you're wearing your cute little low cut tops. And I'm good for wearing a top that's like has like the strings in the middle and it's like open. I'm good for that. I'll insert a couple pictures of me wearing that type of top with the boob tape as well. So yeah, this really helps me be super confident and feel super sexy when I'm wearing clothes like that. So the tape is honestly super comfortable. You literally almost forget that you even have it on when you wear it. And yeah, I really enjoy it. I think it's a fantastic product. It's super lightweight, really easy to tape. Even I feel like if you have heavier boobs, because a friend of mine, I let her use it as well one day when we went out, and she had on like this super low cut top, and she had like really heavy boobs, and I mean, we hoisted her up, we taped her up, and I mean, it worked out. So it's a really good product. It stays on all night through like clubbing, sweating. One thing is, you do just have to make sure that you don't put your lotion on before you put the tape on, because if you do, it won't stick. So you want to make sure your skin is dry and it'll stick on. It feels like a second skin, and it honestly doesn't even hurt when you rip it off. Well, I mean, it hurts a little, but you just gotta rip it off like they rip off your wax when you're getting a Brazilian. So just do it in one fell swoop. It's the way I do it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put on one boob tape so you can kind of see the difference. I feel like one of my boobs is a little perkier than the other. So maybe we'll do this one first, and I'll kind of show you how it looks. I obviously can't do it on camera because we want this video to be able to play on YouTube. But yeah, I'm gonna go off camera and put it on, and then I'll show you what one boob looks like. Before we go to taping her up, I did want to show you the product comes in a cute little box like this, super tiny. And I got the black tape. I think they have a couple different colors. I honestly wish I had like the brown tape that was like the color of my skin, but it just looks like this. It's like, I guess you would call it like fabric tape almost. Super sticky, and then you just cut it to the length that you desire. And it doesn't, I don't have a big boob, so it doesn't have to be big. I like to put it like at the bottom, go over the nipple. Another tip is I like to hoist up the boob. I hoist it up and tape it where it's hoisted up. So that's gonna be my tip for you. I cut a piece about, honestly, this is a little too big. I don't like wasting it, honey, because we need to reserve the tape, child. Probably about here is where I'll cut it at. And it should be good. I got my little piece of tape, and you just separate the paper from the tape. This is how it looks. It's super high quality tape, and like I said, ladies, don't lotion. I know it's natural to lotion before you put your clothes on, but don't lotion, baby. Just put it on. We got the tape on. We're covered, so this should be fine. And this is what it looks like on. And then just look at that. Look at the difference. Like, sometimes I like to put a little piece of fabric tape right there so the black doesn't show. Because we want to give cleave when we got this on, honey. We want to give cleave now because we don't wear this low cut top to not give nothing. But if you can see, I mean, it's a huge difference. It's truly a huge difference. And you know, another little hack I like to do, I like to add my little bronzer. I'm gonna show y'all that in a minute, but let me get the other girl taped up, and then I'll show you guys what the finished result looks like. So we got the other girl taped up. This is pretty much how it looks, how I do it. I feel like this one could have stood to go just a little bit higher. Hoist her up, child. Hoist her up. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. Like, she looks really good. We're looking nice and perky. We're stable. We can jump around. I found you, this new booty. Get it together. Bring it back to me. Hit the place about my fancy. What it do? Get it right. Get it right. Get it tight. Get it right. Get it right. Get it tight. Get it right. Get it right. Get it tight. So yeah, as you can see, they're stable. The girls are looking good in here, you know what I'm saying? Let me show you my little trick I add on. A little something else that I do just to add you a little something, you know what I'm saying? Especially if you got you a top that's like more, got your shoulders and things out. But this is what I do to, like, you know, get the girls looking extra good. So you're gonna take your bronzer. This is the same thing I use to contour my nose. And you see where that natural line is? We're just gonna go around that, honey. Okay, honey, this is what we're gonna do. And we're gonna create a little bit more of that shadow to give the girls what they're looking for, okay, honey? Now, this is real crude or whatever. And then I like to go in with my highlighter and we kind of accentuate. Oh, we want to accentuate here. So I like to go like there, give the girls a little pop, honey. Right there in the middle. The girls a little pop. You can touch up the collarbone, honey. And pow, we're looking real good. You know what I'm saying? This is what we want to do. This is what we want to give the girls. You know, this is how we want to give the girls. So if you guys want to be looking perky, you know, even if you got the little ones like me or you got some big old jugs up there, y'all need to be on NueBoo. What you waiting for, girl? NueBoo. So NueBoo truly has a plethora of items on their website that have to do with, like, you know, keeping the ladies right and tight. But if you want to get the boob tape, you can get one for $21.99, or you can get a 2-pack for $29.99, $30. And you already know I'm gonna hook y'all up with the code. So if you guys want to purchase it and you want to get a little discount, whatever, you can get 10% off by using my code Tiara10. I'm gonna have that link below. I honestly wish they would have used my YouTube name, which is Wavy, but they use my real name, Tiara. So it's Tiara, Tiara 10, and you can get 10% off of your purchase. So definitely y'all need to go get this. Big booties, I said booties, Lord, because NueBoo. Big boobies, small boobies, in between boobies, saggy boobies, perky boobies. Everybody needs it, you know what I'm saying? It acts as a nipple cover too, so you ain't got to worry about the nips popping or nothing if that makes you feel uncomfortable. So yeah, I really hope you guys decide to use this product. It's something that I honestly really enjoy and I honestly use because, you know, a girl goes out now. A girl's on the town out here in NYC. So I use it quite frequently. It's something that I truthfully do really enjoy. And I want you guys to enjoy it too. So that's pretty much it for the video today, guys. I really hope you guys try the product and enjoy it as much as I do. Definitely do not forget to subscribe. Join the Spice Gang. Become a Spice Girl. You already know we have a whole lot of fun over here. And, you know, obviously, I'm gonna keep you looking right. I'm gonna keep you looking tight. If you want info on this hair, check out the link up here. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.